guys, welcome back to my channel. I had a request to make this purse into a cake but in brown and burnt orange and gold. So I wanted to show you guys part of the process. The cake flavor is cookies and cream, and it is a 3-layer and is able to feed up to about 25-30 people. So I've already completed my crumb coat and chilled the cake, and now I'm applying the fondant to the cake, just smoothing that fondant out and still kind of shaping the cake to the shape that I want the purse to be in. I haven't done a purse cake ever. This is my first time doing a purse cake, and this is also my first time trying to record the process. So you guys, I'm sorry I did not get every part of the process recorded, but I did the best that I could, and I was so proud of the end result that I had to upload a video and show you guys what I did. And this cake really was like out of my comfort zone, but because I do cupcakes, a lot more than I do cakes, and so it was out of my comfort zone. But I said that this year I was going to give myself a lot more yeses versus nos. So yes to more opportunities, and yes to things that makes me uncomfortable, so that I can just grow, right? And so the sides of the cake, if you could see, were a little bit crinkled. It wasn't as smooth as the other side, the front and the back side, but I'm going to cover that with a different color fondant. I'm gonna cover that with a burnt orange fondant, so you won't be able to see that. And then for the edible images, I have an edible printer, so I printed a Coach image, like a Coach design, and I just printed that with my printer. But you can also purchase those, like especially on Etsy. I've seen a lot of people selling designs or edible images on Etsy. So and you don't have a printer, you can order that from Etsy as well. But I have a printer, and I'll link my printer down below, and also the edible sheets that I got from Amazon. I'll link those down below as well. The sheets that I'm using are 8.5 by 11 inches, and so it kind of just depends on the size of your cake. So that's the size that I used. And like I said, I will link that below in the description box if you would like to know where I got those from. And I use vodka to adhere the edible sheets to the fondant. So that's what you see me dipping in. That was vodka, so that you can use something that will not moisten your fondant, but will be able to allow you to adhere the edible sheets to the fondant without causing a lot of moisture. And so that's why I use vodka. And I also made some accessories, of course, for the cake. So I made the Coach tag, because what is a Coach purse without the signature Coach tag? And also I made like a gold C for the Coach accessories, and then the handles as well. And so that is it. And like I said, sorry I was not able to record the entire process, but I wanted to show you guys at least what I did have. And this is how the cake turned out, and oh my god, like I was so proud of this cake. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share with your friends, and I will see you guys in my next video. All right, bye.